Tomorrow, if I'm singing a song for an actress, they would know that I'm singing it because I have a face. Be a really big booming pop industry very soon, and it's just a matter of time that artists become really huge and sort of represent our country on a global platform.
So, hi Dhwani, welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you so much.
Well, let me start by wishing you a belated happy birthday first of all. Let's get over with that. How was your birthday?
My birthday was really good, dude. Like I did a lot of things. I released Radha, I bought a car, and I had a lot of fun.
Oh wow, that's nice. Okay, so there was something special about this birthday because your song Radha came on your birthday and it was a treat for your fan, you said, right? What was so special about this song that you had to release on your birthday? Can you tell us that?
I just wanted to. It was just an expression of love, and it says it's an expression of love for my fans, and as well as just me at this point in life. I just wanted to talk about love, and I didn't want to talk about heartbreak. Um, so I wanted to talk about all things good. So I made Radha.
All right. Okay, so I saw the video, right? I saw you dancing in the video. You guys look super amazing in that, you know. Tell me how was the shooting process? Like you guys are dancing on the beach, you guys are dancing in the jungle, you know, you're expressing your love over there. I want to know something about that as well. Can you tell us that?
It's about Radha and her four gopis chilling, dancing everywhere, and just saying "Jo bane tu mohan saiya main banu Radha." So it's
Okay.
about the usually females like have we don't sort of women in general do not express love that easily. It's always the men that sort of are pushy, but I just speak for all the women out there who are outspoken about love, and that's what I tried to do with this song. It was fun shooting in Alibag. Karan, I think, is really amazing. Um, you know, said I don't need a boy, I just need you and other co-girls, and I just believe in his idea of doing a video like this and his vision. And then Ravi sir came on board. He shot it so well. He made us look so good, and the whole location. And so there's this one funny thing about him. Every time he'd think that, oh, this is a perfect shot, and the lighting is really good, he'd be like, oh, shoot. So we would all keep running around throughout the set, and it was a very impulsive shoot, and it was really fun. I actually didn't know that I was actually working. It was a good chaos, and
Okay.
I really enjoyed myself throughout the shoot. And Alibag is anyway like a chill place. It's very nice when you go there. Um, so I was just in the same vibe, and then I was working too much. Again, I was chilling. So it was all fun.
Since we're talking about Radha, can we listen to Radha, like you singing one or two lines of it?
Definitely. तुझसे मैं ये कह भी दूं, शायद इस दिल को मैंने दूं, क्या तुम्हें भी ऐसा लगता है ये तुम्हारा नारा एक ही कहना है खो गई है जो कर सैया उसे बदला का जो बने तू मोहन सैया मैं बनूं राधा. I forgot two words in the middle, so I didn't know.
Oh, that's really sweet. That's really sweet. You know, Dhwani, on internet today, I said that I'm gonna do an interview with you. You know, there are a few questions that popped up. The upcoming singers and all, they want to know what's your Riyaz routine like. Can you give them some tips and tricks that what they have to do to keep their voice in check? You know.
Keep the voice in check. Just try to avoid cold, like drinks, whatever, anything cold foods and stuff.
Mhm.
Because I feel like uh, and always keep your throat hydrated, and keep doing your warm ups. And so I learned this thing from Sonu sir. He keeps his tanpura on at all times, whenever he can. You know, I think I do that as well. I started doing it. I think it's called Chilla. So I'm not sure what it's called, but I heard it's called Chilla. So that you hear the tanpura at all times. So what I do is I do my warm ups and then I leave the house, and then mostly if I'm really busy, then I'll keep the camera on like at all times. So then I'm always like sort of in it, and mostly I try to squeeze in a Riyaz session with my teacher at least 3 times a week, and once a week with my vocal coach, and I try to practice every day, at least 1 hour.
All right. Okay, fair enough. Dhwani, since the female-led albums are coming a lot nowadays, and the movies which are female-oriented movies are doing so well right now, do you think it's time that a movie should have a whole film should have a female album only? Do you think it's time that we need to start promoting that?
I feel like female songs have always done so well. If like when you consider "Kaun Tujhe" and many other songs that have they've done so well, and I feel like now it's definitely time to sort of have a complete female album. Be it in films or any artist that wants. But of course, in films, because it's mainstream and everyone sort of Bollywood is a huge thing in our country, so that would make a lot of difference. But yeah, we should definitely have like a female album. Definitely, all female artists.
All right, but do you think doing an independent music is more fun than doing a Bollywood song? What do you think?
I think both of them have their own fun, yeah. I mean, when you're sort of singing for someone else, you try to keep in mind their character and what the music director sort of gets the brief, of the particular situation. You always have to sort of sing up in accordance with how the actor sort of is in the movie, and expressions, certainly. And otherwise, with pop, I think it's so much fun. Like it's your own expression. You can do anything you want. I mean, you can tell the people about yourself, and I feel like that's such a beautiful thing, and that's what. And I'm very happy that artists and singers in Bollywood basically have started to do that. All the singers are from industry, and we're now having like music industry of our own, separate from the films a little bit, and I just hope that grows.
All right, what is that one trend, Advani, that you would like to change that's happening in Bollywood right now? For me, I see a lot of female artists. They're only using female artists for item number or fast-paced song or recreations. What kind of trends are that you don't like right now that's in Bollywood or in the music industry right now that you would like to change?
There are less female songs, and I don't understand why. There should be more, and because of course, in movies, heroines do play a huge part. Actresses are absolutely amazing. They're beautiful, and they should be given a voice. And I feel like more than item songs, there should be melody driven numbers as well, that can come into the picture. And so we can do that in independent, but I feel like it gets lost in a film. Maybe because it's the vision of the director, but I feel like there should be more female-driven songs in the movies.
Because that's what happens, people forget that who is singing song. It's just the female voice, but they remember the face of a heroine, but they forget who is singing the song behind it. So I guess that's the trend that need to change in Bollywood right now. Do you agree with that?
That's what I'm saying. That's how independent comes into the picture. So tomorrow, if I'm singing a song for an actress, they would know that I'm singing it because I have a face.
Correct. Okay, tell me, how happy are you to see the independent music growing in India right now? Because a lot of artists are coming up with such original music, such good sound. How happy are you, and what does it mean for our country right now? What do you think?
I'm very happy. I think we are in a transition period. I really feel very strongly that we're going to, be a really big booming pop industry very soon, and it's just a matter of time that artists become really, really, really huge, and sort of represent our country on a global platform, and because it's high time. I feel like there is so much talent in our country; it has to explode, and artists have to do well. And I'm so happy and so glad that there are so many independent artists that are coming with the picture and doing what they do, and doing the music that they like. I think it makes me gives me tremendous happiness, and I just can't wait for the day where um, a pop artist is at par with an actor.
All right, since we're talking about the pop artists, do you listen to K-pop music? Are you a fan of it? What's your take on that?
I think they really exploded, bro, and that's what I'm saying. Uh, uh, Indian pop should also be the same. I mean, they're everywhere. Just look at Blackpink, sorry, and look at BTS. I think they're literally like they're touring, they're doing collaborations, and I feel like Indians deserve the same. They deserve all our artists, all the Indian artists deserve to be on a global platform, and I'm just waiting for that to happen.
Dhoni, what do you think? Where are we lacking not to reach at that level? What K-pop artists are doing right now? What's not happening in India? What do you think?
I feel like they have like a whole mechanism in place, and here we don't have that for artists. It really takes a lot of effort to um, introduce something new, because I don't know what the reason is and why it's not being tapped into, and everyone's doing their own independent work, but it's not just how you see a film and you're like, oh dude, this is booming. How there's a system
Right.
to all of it. Here it's all scattered. I feel like there's no community yet, which
Okay.
is which has to be formed. There has to be like either labels or I don't know. The whole mechanism is just it just is not for artists. It's not made yet.
All right.
There has to be a stepwise plan as to how you make a particular artist, how you help them in growing, how you create opportunities for them. Because I feel that it's there for actors, but it's still not there for artists. We all keep making our opportunities, ourselves, and I feel like there should be. Because when you see, like when you talk about K-pop, there's a whole school.
Correct.
They build artists.
Right.
They teach, and I feel like it's not something that mummy ke pet se to seekh ke nahi aa sakte na. You have to be drilled into it. You have to learn how to be in front of the camera, how to of course it's your own expression, but at the end of the day it should be pleasing to the eyes. It should be you're supposed to be a whole package, and to be that whole package, even if it's inside you, to bring it out, that has to have to be teachers doing that.
I agree, completely agree. I hope we learn something from them right now.
I know you must know about it. There's a whole school, and they
Yeah.
make boy bands, and they train for like years altogether before they're given a platform. And that also is properly planned, bro. Like they'll give each group a producer to sort of do their songs, and you must have watched these documentaries. I mean, it happens on a big scale, and
Right.
it's so good to see them making artists, and that should happen here. There's so much talent in the country.
Correct. Okay, Dhoni, tell me, what is your dream collaboration? If you want to collab with an artist right now, who is on your list right now? The next artist that you want to collaborate with?
Next artist that I want to collaborate with from India, then I really want to collaborate with Just Manak. I think he's really cool, and it's a Tamil song, and it's so insane. Enjoy Enjami. I think it's an insane song, and I really want to work with the artist, and I just can't pronounce the other guy's name. It's from A, but he's too good. I really appreciate independent music like that. I mean, I heard it like a week back, and I've been hooked to it. And yeah, and definitely Arijit Singh. You should hear his new album. It's called From Paglet. He's done some 26 songs, and it's crazy. Like you keep playing it on loop.
All right. I hope we see you collaborate with all these artists that you named right now. It will be really exciting to see that. Okay. Tell me, which is a genre that you don't like listening to?
Rock, like
Okay.
metallic. I think it's too much for my brain.
All right. And which is a genre that you can listen to 24/7?
I think instrumentals in
All
general,
right.
any
Okay.
genre.
All right. Since it's your birthday, I want to know which is your top favorite song sung by you. And can we listen to one or two lines of each song? Can we do that?
Actually, you want me to list them down?
Yes, the five of them.
Okay, so Radha, Vaste, Leja Re, then Leila.
Okay. All right. We got five. So, Dhwani, just a small task for you. You gave me five top, right? Can you mix all five, and can we have a small mashup about it? starting with Radha. Can we just switch one or two line? Can we do that? It will be really
Yeah,
exciting to see. Let's start.
let me try.
In your time.
मेरे सर पे होगी धुन तेरी, तेरे सर पे मेरा फतूर होगा, मुझसे दूर कहीं न जा, बस यहीं कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या, वास्ते जा भी दूं, मैं गवाए ना भी दूं, किस्मतों का लिखा मोड़ दूं, बदले मैं तेरे जो खुदा खुद भी जन्नते सच कहूँ छोड़ दूं. Then which one did I say? जो बने तू मोहन सैया, मैं बनूं राधा.
Wow, wow, wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. It was so lovely to like listen to you. Thank you so much for that. I wish you all the best. I'm looking forward to your work as well. Let's see what you do next year. Best of luck. Thank you.
Sweet bro. Thank you so much. It's been so nice talking to you.
Thank you. I'll see you. Bye bye.